All right, I got another accessory for my DJI Action 5 Pro. Just going to show you this brief video on it, but it's called the Osmo Mini Tripod. This is the part number, if you could see that, if you want to pause the video and take a look at that part number. I've got it sitting right here. It's got a 1/4 thread, and it is very small. I'd say it's about 2, maybe 3 inches in length. Once it's folded up, maybe about 1 inch to 1.5 inches diameter. It fits in the case that I bought easily, so that's another reason why I wanted this small tripod. I don't need a tripod most of the time, and they make a handle that has a tripod with it that turns into a tripod, but it's only about 16 inches in height, fully extended. So the Adventure package that I got, that handle goes up to 60 inches. You wouldn't want to go 60 inches with just this little tripod on the bottom, but that's why I like the other package. And when I just need a small tripod, I wanted to be able to put that on the bottom of that Adventure handle. I noticed that this would work because it's got that 1/4 thread in the bottom of the Adventure handle there. And it didn't explicitly list this as an accessory for the DJI Action 5 Pro, but it does fit. So I tried that out already, and I'll show you kind of why, or what I could use it for. So you just kind of thread the handle in there. And now you can have the Action handle that goes about 60 inches in length as a small tripod there. I wouldn't recommend, bringing this thing up to full height because you're going to lose some stability. I'd say you're good for about 2 feet or so. I have already put the camera on there and tested it, but I'm actually recording with the camera right now. That's why I don't have it on there. The other neat thing is if you're wanting to just kind of pick it up and go, you just kind of flip these down, and you can just leave that on the bottom of your handle. And it kind of extends your handle just a little bit there. And then when you're ready to set the camera down, if you don't want to have to put the whole handle down and have the camera sitting down, you can just do it like that. And certainly you can have it all the way down and just use it like that if you wanted to. And it won't fit in the case with, the handle doesn't fit in the case with this on the bottom. So you got to take that off when you're ready to put it back in the case. But you can just easily unthread it. And this handle fits in the case that I bought with the separate from the Adventure pack. And then this fits in the case where I'm storing my microphones. So it's got a nice little rubber piece right there that keeps that nice and sturdy and tight. And when you fold it out, it's got rubber feet at the tips there, if you can see that. So yeah, it's a pretty nice little tripod. It is made by DJI, which is good. So I know it fits, and I know it's been tested with their other products. And I like it. I think it's perfect for my setup. If this is something that you're interested in, I will have this in the description, links for this in the description. Hopefully this information was useful or helpful. And if it was, please subscribe and share. And that's to the point.